Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I'm a maths online tutor. I have been teaching since 2008 and I have worldwide students. In this video, we will discuss about slope-intercept form and how to represent equation in slope intercept form. So when graphing a line, we found one method. We could use it to make a table of values. However, if we can identify some properties of the line, we may be able to make a graph much quicker and easier. One such method is finding the slope and the y-intercept of the equation. So slope-intercept form, it means they are given slope and y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept, it means line cuts on y-axis. So M represents slope and B represent y-intercept. Okay, it means this line cuts on y-axis at 0b. Okay, because on y-axis their coordinates always 0b form, because x value 0 there. Okay, write the slope intercept form of the equation of each line given the slope and the y-intercept. So if you know slope and y-intercept, so you can easily write a line equation. Okay, so y equal mx plus b. Okay, here what is given here? Slope, which is 2, and what is y-intercept? B value 5. And can you see, this is the answer, just one line answer. Okay, very simple. Here is the second question. Again write y-intercept form. Y equal mx plus b. What is m value? What is slope? M means slope, which is 1. Okay, what is B value? Y-intercept, minus 4. Okay, we can simplify and write final answer. 1x multiply, 1 multiply x, and plus multiply minus 4. And this is the answer. Okay. Very simple question. If you know slope and y-intercept, you can easily write equation. Okay. So what is a m value here? Minus 3 upon 4. And what is here y-intercept? B value minus 1. So y equal minus 3 upon 4x minus 1. This is the answer. Isn't it very easy? Y equal mx plus b. Okay. What is given here? Slope. Slope is 1 upon 3x. And what is y-intercept? B value 1. And this is the answer. So if you know slope and y-intercept, you can easily represent in this form. Okay. It is called slope-intercept form. So very easy questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please press the bell icon. Bye. Have a nice time.